Every time I get to talk, the stupid sat-nav talks. Right, we are finally leaving Loch Maree, but look at that for a gorgeous view. Zoom in a bit more. Look at that for a cloud-capped mountain. Absolutely gorgeous. Ain't it, Mr. B?
Yes, very.
Yes, he's fed up.
I am.
He is.
Phone,
Swearing. I'm going to have to bloody beep over that now. What's he like? We've been having a crap day, ain't we?
Yep.
Because I tried to get the footage off the gimbal and the stupid Samsung phone said the DJI app said I had no room on my phone because apparently the apps were 90% of my phone storage and I hardly had anything on there. And Carl's got twice as many apps on his phone and was taking up half the storage, so there was a problem with the phone. So Carl's had to get all my music and everything off that I use onto a memory thingy bobby SIM cardy type memory card thing. Completely reboot the phone, and then we've had to completely redo everything, and that has took about 4 hours in total.
And the rest probably.
Because I was using the Samsung as my normal phone as well, because I bust my other one. So then we've had to get his old Huawei phone out and stick all my stuff on that to use as my regular phone. And now he's rebooted the Samsung phone. Oh, lo and behold, I've only got 20% used up, which is what it should have said in the first place. But yeah, gorgeous sunny day, and I ain't even got out the fecking motorhome yet, have I?
No.
Carl's got out to walk the dog quick, and that is it. So we are leaving now, and hopefully we can get some enjoyment out of the sunny day, ain't it?
Yeah.
So Carl's going to cheer up. Yeah, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Fucking joke, man, swear to God. Technology for you, shite, innit?
Yep, it's only a month old.
I know, month-old phone, bag of crap. So we're going to get going, ain't we? So we'll see you in a minute.
Okay.
When we get to where we're going. So we have drove, not very far really, probably a couple of 100 metres, done a right to Victoria Falls car park. You can overnight here, nobody says anything. She said we could come up here, but the views ain't as good. The woman last night, who was mentioned on the other video, but she was the Forestry Commission lady, and she said we could stay at Loch Maree picnic site, even though there was no overnight signs. She said we could stay because it was out of season and not very busy. So we did. So anyway, yeah, we are walking to Victoria Falls viewpoint, named after Queen Victoria when she visited here in 1877. And that's the falls there, but I will zoom in. Quite impressive actually. And I'll show you that there is proper viewing platform here, and then as you look the other way you can see where we've just been, which is Loch Maree, if I get a bit closer. Zoom in a bit. Look how blue that is on a nice sunny day. We're just doing the circular walk back to the car park. Don't think it's very long, probably about 10 minutes or something, but we'll see. Oh man! Oh, Monday! Wait!
What's the bell? No, okay.
Absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully the sun's not too bright. Lovely day it is. That is a really nice waterfall. You could sit on those stone, the rocky bit at the top of the waterfall where the big rapids were. Sit there, have a picnic. Lovely, man. If we'd have had more time, I'd have done it. And there's Loch Maree again on a lovely blue sky day, making the water amazingly blue as well. If I zoom in, look at the colour of that. And we're already back. Motorhome's just at the bottom of this track. So it was only about a 15-minute walk. 20 if you're dawdling and having a good look, which we were. Not very far at all. Worth the walk though, really nice, good footpath, as you can see, just a normal gravelly footpath. Nice stroll. Sorry Trevor, but we think this is stunning, don't we?
We do.
It's bloody gorgeous, how can you not like it, man? I don't get it. Oh well, each to their own, innit?
Yeah, beats being in Berlin.
Is that where he was? Oh, I can't remember. Yeah. It probably does, to be fair, doesn't it, Trevor? Even you might agree with that. Or in Denmark, for that matter.
Yeah.
Sound like a bunch of nutters there. We're on a road we've never been on before now, ain't we, Hugs?
Yep.
And we are on the what?
Something 96.
I think he said the A896.
Yeah,
Well, they're near enough all A8 summit here.
Yeah.
Yeah. The A896. Ain't it?
Oh yeah.
So, let's see if we encounter any dickheads on this road. Hopefully not. Oh, let's see. Oh no, they flashed. Nakarada, but Carl flashed them. See, not everybody in a BMW is a pillock.
I love them all.
You don't mean that.
No.
Mavic MTA, ain't you got a BMW? Ignore him.
Yeah, I let him off. He's got a nice BMW.
He said you got a nice BMW if you never heard him. We've got 19 miles left. Talk about a blind deal, man.
I know. Can't see nothing.
Bloody hell.
Just got to keep your fingers crossed and go for it.
Yeah. Fun this is, isn't it?
Hello, fluffy moo-moos.
We have finally found somewhere to park up. And lovely it is too. This is how bad things are getting now. They put signs like this. We've seen a few like this, haven't we?
Yeah.
Even the Forestry Commission van had a thing about bagging your poo and putting it in a bin or taking it home with you. Trampy people, man. No, if you're going to crap outside, do it in a bloody bag. Put it in the bin. Just leave your poo and your shitty tissue everywhere. And that's where we parked up at the MOD place. But you are allowed to park up. It's a proper car park. You can walk down. You can't drive down. Apparently we've got to go down here. Go on then, Nookie Bear. You go then, Nookie will go. Hey! Oh, and he still finds the dry route, man. And there is a beachy bay down here, which is where we're walking to. Oh, it's a bit mucky, the footpath. Not too bad though. How clear the water is. That is all water there. You can see straight through it. Where that's white is all crushed shell. And that one mountain in the middle is like a proper triangle.
Pyramid.
Yeah, as Carl says, like a pyramid.
It's an Egyptian mountain, I call it.
Of course they do. Nice having it.
Yep.
Nookie's loving it here, ain't you, Nookie Bear? He is. Having a good old sniff. And it's mad how the sand, well, it's like the embankment, but it's made out of sand, but it's bloody massive, man. Oh, there's Mr. B and Nookie Monster. Lovely mountains over there. Sun starting to set over there. Ain't that a picture? Hello, puppy. He's loving it. Do you like it here?
I do.
It is nice, isn't it?
Nice and quiet.
Yeah. For a nice little stroll at the end of the day. Ain't it?
Yeah.
Because it's getting dark now. Well, not quite, but soon.
Not long left.
No. So we're going to leave it there. And then what are we doing on the next one? Or is it a big surprise?
It's a surprise. Wait
Yeah.
and see.
Yeah,
Gonna
wait
be
and see.
exciting,
We hope.
terrifying. Yeah.
Terrifying.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see anyway. Should be doing it tomorrow. Then we'll see what happens. Right then. Go on.
Bye.
Bye. And Nookie say it.
Say bye bye enough.